Hello students, today we are going to do the first lesson of the snapshots in class 11. It's a wonderful, beautiful story by William Saroyan. The title is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Students, children sometimes do mischiefs to fulfill their desires. After reading the story, you will tell me whether the children in this story, the two boys who are stealing a horse, is their act a criminal activity? Is it a crime? Or it is just a childish mischief? I would like to tell you something about the story so that you read the lesson and you understand it easily. This story is about the plain and harmless pranks. Pranks means childish mischief of two Armenian boys. Their names are Murad and Aram. They belong to a tribe. The name of the tribe is Gyro-Gloinian. Their tribe has been known for their honesty for 11 centuries. Now they have become poor. But these two boys, Murad and Aram, have a strong desire for horse riding. But sorry, they are poor and they cannot buy a horse to fulfill their hobby. So one day, against the reputation of family, Murad steals the white horse of Mr. John Byro. Mr. John Byro is a friend of his family. And Murad also invites Aram for a ride. Aram is surprised because he knows that they cannot buy the horse. It means he has stolen. But he thinks that it is not a stealing because their intention is only to ride and not to sell and make money out of this horse. So they enjoy riding the horse for many days. They hide it in a secret place. But one day the owner of the horse, who is also their family friend, Mr. John Byro, he came to their home and he told about the loss of his horse. Aram was there, so he has heard Mr. Byro talking about the loss of his horse, so immediately he goes and informs Murad about it. The boys then decided to return the horse and they return it. John Byro is very happy to get his horse back, and that also in a very better health. The story has a funny character. There is another very important character in the family of these two boys, Uncle Khosrow. You will read and find him, how funny he is. He is a crazy man. Like Aram and Murad, they are crazy for horse riding. So there is a streak of craziness in the family. Uncle Khosrow is crazy and he silences every speaker with his roaring voice by saying, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." Whenever somebody says this, he never bothers and he'll ask him not to bother. You will find it very funny when one day he was sitting in the barber's shop and his own son goes and tells that his house has caught fire. And his reaction is same. He says, "There is no harm, pay no attention to it." So you will see, while reading the story, you will find that it is full of humor and fun. But the story ends in a happy note. It is full of thrill and action also. Students, the two boys steal the horse not to sell it but to ride. Will you call the action of these two boys, especially Murad who steals the horse and invites Aram for riding, will you call this action as a crime, as a punishable crime for the children, or it is only a childish prank, a childish mischief? That is the story, and I hope that you will read the story and enjoy it. We will take it up in the next class. Thank you.